Hello traders, my name is Roland and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here you can find the most effective and straightforward strategies for the binary options and onward. If you're new in trading, don't worry, you can try my strategies from the video, you can repeat after me, or you can use my Telegram group with the free signals with a 90% of accuracy, and you can find the links in the description of every videos. Also, if you don't have a time for trading, if you're working or you have some another deals, don't worry. I have a social trading for you. You can connect to my account very easy, and just repeat after me. Repeat every signals, every strategies. So, let's keep going.
So guys, welcome. You're on my YouTube video, of course, on my YouTube channel. So you here see the deposit of 150. I'll show you how exactly with this amount you can make a profit of more than $5,000 without a problems. And very quickly, opening trades on a 1 minute time frame, I analyzed all the currency pairs and already selected them. Some currency pairs have OTC status, so I need to choose a good one, a trend strategy. Since I recommend always following the trend to open trades on the OTC, of course. So today we're gonna analyzing MACD, CCI, and weighted moving average. And the weighted moving average will be with a period of 15. We will have a MACD with a period of 5, 7, and 10, and we will have a CCI with a period of 10. Thanks to such a period, we will capture a large range of price movement, and in general, we will control the entire price in this range. So let's get started. As a trader, you will understand how to work with this strategy correctly, and let's select our first currency pair and let's get started. Let's start our rock and roll and open our first trade, of course. So what do we have here? Let me just select. Okay, quick analysis. Here, let's open short position. Here, the MACD histogram shows us two strong ascending volumes. We had a last such volumes. We didn't even have them like that. These are the first such ascending volumes for the last period of time, and accordingly we will wait for a rollback. Here we do not really rely on our moving average. Let me remind you again. We are observing the volumes of our histogram and also observing the exit from the area, right? Now, overbought from our second oscillator, we also have a generally good point of contact here and open a trade at a price rollback. Let's look at the results. It remains 10 seconds now, and I guess you can see the movement. Our first position is gonna be in profits in the next seconds. Nice. Our first position easily closed with a profit. In addition to the basic principle of working on this strategy, here you can also focus on our oscillators in general, include a little technical knowledge of technical analysis, and in general you can also trade let's say like this. We didn't touch on the moving average at all. We only looked at our oscillators, found a good point of contact and opened a deal and closed it with a profit, with a plus. So here we will open a long position. Again, here we have the OTC currency pair, which means our best opening will occur according to the trend. We are guided here by our moving average and the MACD oscillator, the intersection of the moving average from bottom to top, then the intersection of the moving averages of our oscillator from bottom to top as well. And this means a signal for an increase in our case for a long, right? Our CCI oscillator also turned around. In general, let's look at the results. We have 17 seconds left, and let's wait for the profit. 10 seconds left right now. Okay, you can see the movement. I like it. Nice breakout. 3, 2, 1. We're in a profit. Nice, nice, nice. Our another position is also easily closed with a plus. You see, it was not for nothing that I choose a trend strategy. On the OTC currency pair, we opened with a trend. It was not a mistake. We saw the signal well. Strategy showed it to us and closed the deal with a plus. Let's select the next currency pair and continue our trading. There's no sign to stop, right? And let's just find the better. Okay. Okay, what do we have here? No. Alright. Maybe so. Okay, so far I cannot find any entry. Okay, my bad. Here we're better to open a short position. Here we're more obvious volumes were shown on the MACD histogram, and I'm observing an exit from the overbought area according to our second oscillator. So here it's probably better to go down. I'll open a trade. There's no intersection of the moving average, but in general, because the dynamics have an upward good character, but I think the oscillators won't deceive me. The way out still, the intersection of our moving MACD will happen and remain around 20 seconds. Let's watch the dynamics of movement of this candle, right? 10 seconds. Look at this breakdown. Nice, 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 nice. And 3, 2, 1. We're in a profit. Nice, guys. Our another position is in profit. Let's put $508. Now we will open two positions. Now in the amount of $508 each. But before that, we will change our currency pairs a little at better interest rates. Now, okay, let's put this one. Let's add this one. And add this one. Leave everything as it is in general. Yes. Now we can continue and let's select the next currency pair. So let's just find it. What do we have here? Okay, so far, get nothing. But this one, yeah. Let's open two long positions. We open with a trend after a price rollback, after crossing of the moving average from top to bottom, right? Oh, more precisely from bottom to top. Let's select the workspace. In general, we focus here on the trend and this intersection. After crossing the red candle from bottom to top, then the dynamics of the movement did not go down. It appeared there is a green candle again, it crossed it, and I think that our further dynamics will most likely follow the trend since our currency pair has OTC status. We are also seeing the intersection of moving averages. So MACD from bottom to top, and in total there are around 5 seconds left. We observe dynamics of movement and we are in the profits. So easy. I was absolutely right. After the pullback, after crossing of the moving average, the dynamics did not go down. They went up, and as expected, yeah, the dynamics of our movement went up. Let's change the amount of the transaction value. Let's put 950 and open 2 transactions worth 950 each. Of course, select the next currency pair and let's see what do we got here. Okay. So I want to open the trade along the trend. Now we have a good upward dynamics now prevailing on this currency pair, and we have had a fairly strong pullback in this part of the movement. The intersection happened, and therefore most likely we had a strong pullback, the formation of a new local minimum, right? And I think our price dynamics should continue along the trend, crossing in this area our moving average. So we also see descending volumes shown on the histogram of our oscillator. I will expect the intersection of the moving averages here, and I also see a way out of a sold area according to our second oscillator. So here I better open a long position. Let's watch the result. All right, and 3 seconds left. Let's just wait. Pretty easy. We are in a profit. We closed in positive territory. After all, we have an upcoming intersection. Perhaps most likely there will be an exit has occurred. Transactions are confidently closed in positive territory. We have a $3,500 on our balance sheet. Let's secure it. As a result, we will open the final 3 transactions in the amount of $3,000, and let's select the next currency pair, right? Okay, here we open three long short positions. I'm sorry. Immediately as we see the intersection of the moving average, we open according to the signal, right? In general, yes, we see upward dynamics, but now do we see but how do we see our rollbacks are serious? Such rollbacks go much lower in general, and therefore here we also focus on this. We also see the intersection of moving averages from top to bottom, right after the formation of a new local maximum. And also further we see the intersection on the MACD moving averages, the CCI is little leaving the oversold area, or rather overbought area, and accordingly we open a bearish trade here. Let's watch the result, and our final trades are gonna be profits. Nice, great, excellent trading for today, guys. We are in the profits, totally legit. So this is the strategy for today, universal trend strategy, and it's universal because it feels good both on regular market and on the OTC market. Because we are trading on the trend, by the trend. So let's record our profit. Let's go to the withdrawal tab, right? We are choosing a wallet right now. The amount will be $6,000. It's gonna be our profit for today. You see how simple and easily, we made a profit of $6,000 in a few minutes. And let's put down the code. Okie dokie. We are ready to move on, right? Continue button, and our transaction is proceed. I'll attach the screenshot after all. So nice trading for today, because the strategy was chosen correctly. So you can please use it, guys. Try it on, experience, and again experience, practice it. Much practice, much better. So don't forget about the likes, comments, subscriptions on my YouTube and Telegram channel, guys. Links below. Bye bye. So guys,
Don't forget to watch this video till the end. Don't forget about the YouTube, Telegram, likes, comments, I appreciate that, and of course subscriptions. After you subscribe to my Telegram channel and text me, you will get into $300 draw. So I want to help you. I want to help you to start, and 3 lucky subscriber will get $100 on their balances from me, like a gift. So guys, let's get started so you can get it too.